Hey there! Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to earn passive income online? Welcome to the future of digital income, digital real estate rank and rent. Digital real estate is all about building simple websites, ranking them on Google for local business-related keywords, and renting them out to local business owners who need more leads. Think of it like owning physical real estate. Instead of renting out a building, you're renting out digital space on the internet. Imagine a website that generates consistent leads for a roofing company, a landscaping business, or a plumber, and you get paid monthly for those leads. That's Rank and Rent. Here's why our digital real estate rank and rent course is a game changer. Step-by-step training. Learn how to build and rank websites from scratch, even if you have zero experience. Proven strategies. Get access to the exact methods we use to rank sites fast. Supportive community. Join a group of like-minded individuals building their online empires. Unlimited income potential. Build multiple websites and scale your monthly income. In this course, you'll discover how to choose the perfect niche and location for your websites. SEO secrets to dominate Google rankings. Building high-converting websites that attract business owners. Negotiating profitable rental agreements. Automating your rank and rent business for long-term passive income. The sky's the limit. Each website can earn you $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 and more per month. Build 10 websites and rent them each for $1,000 a month, and you could be making $10,000 and more in monthly passive residual income. Ready to take control of your financial future? Enroll in our digital real estate rank and rent course today and start building a business that works for you 24/7. Don't wait. Put course in the comments or message me and I'll send you the link to check it out. Sign up now and begin your journey to financial freedom.